testicular atrophy, infertility, and TRT. Jack Guillory here, PA specializing in men's health and sexual medicine. I'm out here in Galveston, Texas, getting strong and staying hard. Here to talk to you today a little more informally about HCG, Clomidine and Enclomiphene. Testicular atrophy and infertility, two major concerns with testosterone therapy. So how do we overcome it? First, you need to understand the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. This is what regulates the production of testosterone in the body. Two structures in the brain, the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland, primarily regulate this production. Testosterone is primarily produced by the testicles in men. When the hypothalamus detects low levels of estrogen and testosterone, it sends more signal to the pituitary gland through gonadotropin-releasing hormone to produce two other hormones called LH and FSH. These two hormones stimulate the testicles to produce more testosterone and sperm. This is where medications like Clomid, Enclomiphene, and HCG come into play. We primarily use these medications for men that want to maintain fertility, increase fertility, or just want to try to maintain normal testicular function with or without testosterone therapy. Clomid and Enclomiphene can be useful if you have low testosterone and normal levels of LH and FSH. If your testosterone is low and LH and FSH are already elevated, Clomid will not work. Your pituitary gland is already working in overdrive to stimulate the testicles. Sending more signal to it will do nothing. Clomid and Enclomiphene are also not effective if you're on testosterone injections or any other long-acting form of testosterone therapy. These therapies are too suppressive to the hypothalamus for Clomid to be effective. The drug of choice for maintaining normal testicular function when on one of these testosterone therapies would be HCG. HCG bypasses the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, directly stimulates the testicles by mimicking LH. Using HCG when on testosterone therapy can be helpful in maintaining normal testicular volume, offsetting testicular atrophy that commonly occurs with testosterone therapy, and also maintaining normal sperm production. There's no guarantee that this works, but it's somewhat of an insurance policy. My recommendation for men starting testosterone therapy is to either be willing to accept the risk of becoming infertile or to possibly consider cryopreservation of sperm to use for IVF or IUI after starting testosterone therapy. Yes, there are plenty of cases of men on TRT and even abusing anabolic steroids that still maintain fertility, but these are the exception. Don't count on it. Clomid and Enclomiphene work by blocking estrogen receptors in the hypothalamus, tricking it to release more gonadotropin-releasing hormone, thereby stimulating the pituitary gland to send more LH and FSH to the testicles. This is why if LH and FSH are already elevated, it won't do anything. We commonly use Clomid and Enclomiphene for younger men that have low testosterone and normal levels of LH and FSH, especially if they're concerned with maintaining fertility. For older men that are not concerned with fertility, I generally don't recommend these medications as they don't typically work as well as testosterone therapy. In summary, if you just want to increase your natural production of testosterone or your production of sperm, Clomid, Enclomiphene, and HCG might all be decent choices for you, but you need to get labs and be treated by a trained provider. If you're on testosterone therapy and concerned about testicular atrophy or infertility, HCG is really probably the best choice for you. Clomid will not work with these long-acting testosterone therapies. Clomid, Enclomiphene, and HCG are all useful tools used in the right context. You just need a knowledgeable provider to help you determine what the best option is for you. As always, get strong, stay hard.